So to create a link in bio, you will have to create a brand first. So make sure you already created your brand because the link in bio lives inside the brand. So just open the brand that you want. For example, this one, it's a test brand for a coach. Go to link in bio and just create plus here. So you can see I already made one and it will open the link in bio editor. So all the options and the setup are on the left, and on the right you have the preview of what it's gonna look like on mobile or on laptop. So let's see what we have here. First we can toggle the link on and off if you want it available or not. You can add the no index if you don't want it to be indexed on Google. And then you have the domain. So if you don't want a custom domain and you want to be faster, you can just use the mydrop domain. This one is instant and the fastest option. And then we gave you here two options. You can use the mydrop.bio / whatever you want, or mydrop.me. And then it will be instantly available. Or you can also use the custom domain. And that's why we made the tutorial how to connect custom domain before. And then your domain will appear here. And there we go. And now it's fully white label. Nobody knows it was made on mydrop. Identity, so you can give it a title, image, description, branding. And here, if you want, you can also hide this, powered by mydrop, so it's fully invisible. You can choose the theme, the light, or night, or whatever. We have a few pre-built themes inside here, red. You can even add a soundtrack, like you can choose a sound that will be played anytime someone opens your link. Which can be pretty cool. And then you have the content here. So every piece of content inside the link, we call it a card. And then every card has its own specificities. So we have all this type of cards. So there's a lot that you can put. But let's just say that the most special one, so of course will be the button. It will be a button with a link. You can give it the title that you want, the link that you want, and even change the colors, so it's very custom. Then you have the social links bar, same stuff. Text, image, video, downloadable files, so that's a cool one. If you want people to be able to download a file like a guide, a PDF, or whatever you want in your link, then you just select the file here, and it will be downloadable from that button. You can also put an email capture if you want people to contact you or give you the email, like a newsletter or whatever. You can do that as well. You can change the card side, the icon. You can also ask for the name, so name and email. Contact card, media kit. Media kit is like if you are an influencer and want to tell more about your performances to people. And yeah, that's about it. And then you have an SEO. You can add some UTM tracking. You can add some custom code inside. So header HTML, body HTML, bottom, and custom CSS. And once your link is created, you also have analytics about it. So this one have no data yet, but you can see how many people opened it, how many views, how many unique visitors based on their IP, how many emails captured. You can check the collected emails here. That's it, and then you click save. And then your link is available on your custom domain, so let's give it a try. And there we go. My link is available on my own custom domain. Here you can see, for example, I use the latest posts card, so you can see the latest post, so it's connected to your mydrop post. It's connected to your mydrop gallery if you want to choose a folder. You have the buttons, visit my website, and everything else. So that's it for the link in bio. Now let's go to the next tutorial, how to create a brand portal or client portal.